Hi, my name is Charlene Maycott. I am graduating this year with my degree in psychology. I actually had a scholarship for college from high school, but never was able to go to school. And my entire life I said, someday I'm going to college. And someday was in 2019 when I realized that I was not getting any younger and my chances, were fleeting. So if I didn't do it now, I probably wouldn't. I signed up in 2019. I have a degree in communication from Atlantic Cape in 2022. I'm also part of the 3+1 program here at Atlantic Cape, which means I will only have one more year left to go before I get my bachelor's. Atlantic Cape has given me so many opportunities. I've made so many wonderful younger friends. Atlantic Cape has everything that you need right here under one roof. The staff is amazing, your professors are fantastic, and the students are more like a family than just going to school. This school has amazing resources. The food pantry, which has, believe it or not, helped me tremendously since I came here. If you are feeling stressed, which I have also done, they have somebody here who can counsel you. So they have all types of things here on campus, and it's just an amazing experience, and I'm blessed to be here.